Did you know a lost dog named Iggy once had to choose between safety and home during a deadly blizzard 300 miles from his family? When the snowstorm hit without warning, Iggy was already exhausted from weeks of searching for his way back. The wind was so fierce he could barely see his own paws. He stumbled into what he thought was an empty badger den, only to find a family of red foxes huddled together for warmth. At first, the foxes bared their teeth, and Iggy growled back. But as the temperature dropped to dangerous levels, survival became more important than territory. The mother fox was the first to move closer, and soon they were all sharing body heat in a furry pile. Over 3 days, the foxes taught Iggy how to hunt mice under the snow and find fresh water beneath ice. But when the storm finally cleared and sunlight streamed through the den entrance, Iggy faced an impossible decision: stay with his new pack where he was safe and fed, or continue his dangerous journey home to the family still searching for him.